Banks are America's financial foundation. Most Americans use banks. They rely on them for everyday transactions, savings, and loans. It's the system we know. But not everyone is part of this system. Some lack access. Others simply choose not to participate. This is where the dream of cryptocurrency stepped in, promising a decentralized financial future. In 2022, the FDIC conducted a survey. One question stood out. Have you ever used cryptocurrency? The results were revealing. They painted a clear picture of where crypto stands in mainstream America. Spoiler alert, it's not replacing banks anytime soon. Cryptocurrency emerged with grand promises. It would be the great equalizer, freeing people from the grip of traditional banking. No more fees, no more centralized control, just pure, decentralized digital cash. The FDIC survey, however, told a different story. The majority of respondents had never used cryptocurrency. In fact, many were unsure what it even was. This gap between the hype and reality is a crucial point in understanding why crypto isn't replacing your debit card anytime soon. One word: volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their wild price swings. One day, your Bitcoin is worth a fortune. The next, it's down by thousands. This inherent instability makes it a risky proposition for everyday transactions. Imagine walking into a store to buy groceries, only to find out your Bitcoin lost half its value overnight. This volatility makes crypto more of a speculative asset than a stable currency. Let's face it, you can't easily buy groceries with Bitcoin, at least not yet. While some businesses experimented with accepting crypto, widespread adoption hasn't happened. Remember El Salvador's attempt to make Bitcoin legal tender? It didn't exactly rewrite the rules of global finance. This lack of real-world application, coupled with extreme volatility, highlights why crypto remains more of an investment gamble than a currency. So, while the dream of a decentralized financial future is enticing, the reality is that crypto has a long way to go before it replaces your bank.